Excel 2010 Power Pivot. How do I show items with no data? In standard Excel pivot tables, there is an option for fields that allow you to force display of all items even if there are no results for your current selection. Here's the option. However, using the Power Pivot add-in for Excel 2010, this option is grayed out. Is there a workaround so that I can force all results to appear? Example scenario, number of bananas sold by month. If I don't sell any bananas in August, the Power Pivot table doesn't show a column for August at all, it just skips from July to September. I need August to appear with either a blank number of bananas or 0. Any ideas? Maybe a DAX expression is required. Edit. To answer Haring's question, I've created this pivot table by selecting Pivot Table from this menu in the Power Pivot window.
Actually, this is a better solution. Thanks to Alberto Ferrari for this one. You need to build a months table, i.e. a list of month names, Jan/February/Mar, etc. A linked table will work just fine, and create a relationship between your new months table and your fact table. Then write a measure like this one. Edit. When you add your new months column into your pivot table, you may find the default sort is frustratingly alphabetical, APR, August, DEC, February. Here's a great tutorial showing you how to get round this.
A workaround might be possible to use a data analysis expression, DAX, to replace blanks with zeros. DAX can force a 0 instead of a blank whenever no data exists in the fact table but you want the row to appear in the pivot table. For a simple worksheet with depths, divisions and a fact table called numbers, and with a single column, D, containing a number to sum, write the DAX code in this way. For more information, see how to use DAX in Excel's Power Pivot add-in. Data Analysis Expressions, DAX, in Power Pivot. This approach was originally suggested in the thread Show Items with No Data on Rows.
A brute force method would be to create a measure for each month. As long as one of the month columns has some data, all month columns will appear. Creating all these individual measures is very tedious, though not ideal.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.